Hi guys, today we will learn how to prepare BBS for Raft Foundation. Today we will take some complex example, real example. So first of all, that is the footing plan, foundation layout plan for a bottom bars. You see 75 feet, 5.5 inches and 50 on this side. Okay, bars placed here and bar placed here. Okay, this was mentioned that it will be placed number 6 bar at the rate of 7 inches center to center through. It means through bar. Some are the cut bar and some are through bar. This is through bars. And this bar is mentioned here. This will be placed in for this total length in this direction. Okay. So it's also placed number 6 bar at the rate of 7 inches. Okay. It is section AA. You see, there is section CC and there is section BB. So enforcement detail will be changed for every section. Okay. So we will in today lecture we will talk about section AA. Okay. So this is the bottom bars. Same as this is the top bars. The same. This is through bars. Number 6 at the rate of 6 inches in this direction. Some are the through bars and some extra bars. Okay, these are the both are different specification. Through bars is number 6 at the rate of 7 inches and extra bar is number 6 at the rate of 6 inches. Okay, and on this side number 6 at the rate of 5 inches. And this side no extra bar is given, all through bars is given. Okay, so section A. Now we will see section CAA. Okay, now you see this from this side. Okay, from the upper side. So this is the RCC wall detail, this is the footing detail, this is the column. Okay, so for bottom bar number 6 at the rate of 7 inches in both the direction, you see in layout plan, that is number 6 at the rate of 6 center to center extra bars. Okay, extra bars. And this is 6 numbers 5 inch center to center. So this is section BB. Skip this. Section CC. Skip this as well. Okay. This is the lap length detail given on the first or second page of structure drawing. Okay. So its lap length for concrete strength 3000 psi and steel yield strength is 60,000 psi. Okay. So for number 6 bar and smaller, that are the specification. 44 dB. dB is the diameter of bar, and for number 7 and larger you will follow this specification. For lap line means to when one bar is ended and other need to join them, so you need to lap that much length to transfer their strength. Okay, so this is for 4000 psi. Steel yield strength is same, so little bit less length than 3000 psi concrete strength. Okay, this is the standard hooks to men's bar. Okay, 180-degree hooks, 90-degree hooks, and this is the bar size. Okay, internal bit, and that is the hook length. Okay, and this is the standard hook to stirrups and ties. This is for main bars, and this is for stirrups and tie bar. Okay, bottom bar. This is the bottom bars. So we will first calculate in long direction. So number 6 bar at the rate of 7 inches from this length to this length. This length is total is 50 minus 6 44, and this wall length is not exactly mentioned in section BB. We will see section BB. Section BB. What is the width? Width not given. So width 24 inches, 2 feet. Okay. So 24 feet means the total length is 50 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So 42 feet. 42 feet that direction, 75.5 feet in that direction. Okay. Well, we will see bottom bars. Okay, extra bar is needed 24 feet in this direction, 24. So two number of bar required. Okay, 6 for total length of 42 feet. Okay, use length will be same. Spacing is now 6 inches. Okay, so number one length of bar is 24 minus clear cover of one side because the other side is inside the raft. Okay, then thickness of bar is 2.5 and complete cover of thickness, so 25.99 feet, almost you can say 26 feet. So for transfer bars, okay, so you can just copy both and just need everything is okay, but just need the spacing is 0.42 and lap length is will be 49. Okay, this is 49 and okay. So we need this much 21.949 kg required for section AA of Raft. Okay.